Today, I'm going to show you how to generate hyper-realistic images and videos of your e-commerce products completely for free. And before I show you, just check out what you'll be able to do after you watch this tutorial. So guys, that entire video that you saw was generated with AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that for your e-commerce product step by step. And as a result of creating a video like that, you're going to have tons of images and tons of videos that you can use for your Instagram, for your ads, for your social media, for your advertising, and create breathtaking images and videos. And the process is so simple that even a beginner can do it. All I ask is that if you get any value from this video, leave a like so that this video can be shared with as many people as possible, and comment prompts down below so I can send you all of the prompts that I use for this video absolutely for free. I'll also create a step-by-step PDF guide for you guys with all of the workflows, the prompts, everything, and I will leave it linked in the description as well. All I ask is for a like, and if you like content like this, subscribe to the channel. So a lot of people think AI video ads and creating AI videos like this is confusing, but remember, AI video ads are stupid simple. All AI video ads are is creating an image and then animating it. That's it. This is another image that we created and we animated it. That's all AI video ads are. So if you have a workflow where you can create images, for example, we created a ton of them. We created 4 images right here. We took this one and we animated it. Here you go. Now there's a video for that particular image that you created. But how do you get good AI images and how do you get beautiful videos? That's the part where most people get stuck, right? And for that exact reason, what I've gone ahead and done is I've created a AI employee that handles all of this for you. And I'm going to give you that AI employee completely for free. Now, for anybody that's confused, that's a beginner, don't worry. Just follow this video exactly as I do, step by step. And whatever e-commerce product you have, you're going to be able to create beautiful images and beautiful videos just like I do for all of my e-commerce products. Step 1, go to ChatGPT, open up a new chat and paste this prompt in. It's a huge prompt, and what I'll do is I'll link it in the description or just comment prompts and I'll send it to you. Now, what this AI employee does is it thinks of beautiful images for you. That's all it does. And once you paste it in, you just follow its instructions step by step. It does all of the thinking for you and it will help you create some incredible images. Once you paste this prompt in, go ahead and be sure to have your e-commerce product selected, the one that you're going to be working on for all of your images and videos. For the purposes of this example, I've actually used this product from AliExpress. As you guys can see, the images were not that great to begin with, and we went ahead and created these beautiful images and videos. I'll show you exactly how. Now, when you paste your prompt in, what it's going to ask is for a reference image. Now, a reference image is basically what do you want your product images to end up looking like? Essentially for that, what I did was I went to Pinterest, I typed in jewelry aesthetic feed, and I was able to get this image of what I actually wanted my images to look like. And as you guys can see, my images and videos look very similar to this, and that's by design. So type in your product name, type in aesthetic feed, and get an image of a nice Instagram feed of what you want your entire vibe to look like for your images and videos. Then you go ahead and download it, save this image, and then go ahead and upload it to ChatGPT. And now ChatGPT understands what you want your images and videos to look like. Then it's going to ask for your product's image. Go to AliExpress, your supplier, or take some images of your product and then upload it to ChatGPT. And that way it understands what your product looks like as well. And then the final thing that the AI employee or on ChatGPT is going to ask is, what do you want these images and videos for? I said I wanted aesthetic Instagram images and videos. And as you guys can see, it's given me really aesthetic images and videos. So now my AI employee has everything it needs to be able to continue. Number 1, it has a reference image, right? What do you want your product images to look like? Second, it actually has the product image that we're working on right now. We've gotten that from AliExpress. Third, it knows what we want to create the images and videos for, which is we want aesthetic images and videos for our Instagram feed. Now it starts to work. And basically, after this point, it's all automated. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to come up with a brand style, right? It's going to understand what is the color palette, what's the lighting, what's the background, what's the composition. It's going to think through all of these things that make a photo look great. And then it's going to ask you whether or not you approve of it. All you have to do is read through it if you like it and then approve, and then it'll go ahead. Next, it's going to come up with a 7-image shot plan after you approve it. This 7-image shot plan is what are the 7 images that will help you bring your product to life. For us, it's a hero necklace shot, an intimate hand shot, jewelry box, mirror reflection, fabric flat lay. All of these different images will bring this product to life. So it's gone ahead and thought through that, right? Again, it's up to you whether you can approve it, you can adjust it, you can swap it, whatever. I just went ahead and hit approved. And then the next thing that it does is one by one, it will go ahead and create an image prompt. Now, what an image prompt is basically a very detailed set of instructions on what that image needs to look like. And then we use this prompt to actually go ahead and create our images. And creating images is super simple. I'm going to show you a free way for you guys to get started. What I want you to do is I've linked topview.ai down in the description below. And with every account, it gives you 10 free credits and it's enough to get started. So sign up for a free account with topview.ai. Now, once you're inside topview.ai, go to image and go to image edit. Now, once you're inside image edit, import the image of your product. And over here, where it says describe how you want to edit the image, copy this image prompt that your AI employee gave. Make sure you select the ratio or the size that you want. I'm just going to select 9:16. And now each image only costs us 0.2 credits. You have 10 credits. So you can go ahead and hit 4 and you can basically generate 4 images for less than a 1 credit. And all you do is hit generate. Now what's happening is it's generating the image based on the product and the description that you've given it. It takes about 2 minutes, so let's come back to this when the images have been generated. The reason I pick 4 is sometimes what happens is if you just pick one and if you don't like something, you're going to have to continue to hit generate until you get it right. But what happens more often than not is when you hit 4 as the number of generations, it generates slight different variants and you're sure to at least like one of the variants. But it's up to you. If you want, if your instructions are good enough, you can get it in one shot. Typically, I am able to get it in 1 or 2 shots, but now as I am a paid member of TopView, I have multiple. So I generally go 4. But again, if you're on a budget, do 1 or 2 and do it slowly. Now, as we can see, these 4 images have been generated for us. Let's just flip through all of them and see which one we like. All of these are hyper realistic and our product is showcased in a beautiful way. And remember, our product, our image carries the same aesthetic, right, as the Pinterest image that we give it. That's what's important. The next thing that we're going to want to do is hit generate video off an image that we selected. Then go back to our AI employee and copy in the animation prompt. Then what we're going to want to do is turn off native audio because we can add audio later. And then we basically can even lower the resolution if we wanted to. I'll just leave it to 1080, but if you lower the resolution, you save on more credits and then you can hit generate. And then we're going to need to wait about 3 minutes for the generation to finish. Now your video is ready. Let's go ahead and play and see how beautifully the image has now been animated, right? And now you have your amazing video of your AI modeling the product. And that's how easy this whole thing is. So that's just one of the images. All you have to do is hit approved when you're happy, and then it'll go ahead and do the next image. You don't even have to tell it what to do because it's already come up with that shot plan for you, right? So then it basically comes up with the second image. You do the same thing. Step 1, go copy the image prompt. Go to topview.ai, go back to image edit. The best part is because you've already uploaded your image, it doesn't have to do that again. Just go ahead and paste it right here, right? And then go ahead and hit generate. And once your images are generated, again, go back to the image that you liked out of the 4 that it gave you. For example, for me, it gave me these 4. I like this one. I again hit generate video. Then I'm going to go back to my AI employee for the animation prompt. I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to leave voice off. If I want to save credits, I'll go to 720 and I can choose 1 or 2 generations and I can hit generate and boom, another beautiful video of my product's been generated. And then I do this again and again and go ahead and generate 7 really good images and videos. And I have a collection of assets that I can use for my e-commerce business. Now remember, AI is not perfect. Sometimes it will not get you what you want. But what is really good is my AI employee does the thinking for me. For example, for the fourth image, when I went ahead and pasted this prompt in, it gave me really weird images like this one, this one, this one, and this one. None of this was really usable except for this one. But over here, the way she's looking in the mirror, the reflection was incorrect. So I just went back to my employee and I said, adjust the image. The photo doesn't come out well. It revised the image for me. And then I went ahead, copied the prompt in, again, went to image edit, pasted the new prompt in. And now it's giving me this image, this image, this image, and this image. I really like this one. So I went ahead and generated a video. And then I was able to get this video from that generation. So again, AI isn't perfect, but the accuracy rate of this workflow is about 90%. So you're going to be really, really good with the way that it works. And what I'd say is try it for free, right? And then buy more credits if you think this is worth your time. This is honestly the only workflow that I use, and I've been able to generate just insane images. And jewelry is actually something that's a little bit difficult to do. So I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. Now, a few quick things to mention before I end the video is number one, when you're doing image generation, make sure you're using Nano Banana Pro. And when you're going ahead and generating videos, you can choose different video models. I would just leave it at CDance 1.5 Pro. The accuracy rate is good enough, but the credit use is very low, which is what I like. Now you can, if you have the money, go to Kling V3, but as you guys can see, it's 5. It's almost double the amount of credits to get to animate the same thing. And so a more beginner friendly way is to use CDance, which is very credit friendly. And that's it, guys. That's how you get insane images and insane videos. Like this image in and of itself could be an Instagram post or an ad. And this video in and of itself could be a post or an ad. So guys, if you got any value from this video, all I ask for is a like and a subscribe and turn your post notifications on because we do videos like this every single day. I will leave all of the resources linked down below. And what I'll do is I'll create a specific step-by-step PDF for anybody that's more beginner friendly that you can go ahead and just download. It'll have the step-by-step, it'll have the prompts, it'll have everything. And if you don't know where to look for it, just comment prompts down below. I'll go ahead and send it to you as well. With that, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for giving me your valuable time. And if you learned anything new, again, be sure to subscribe and turn post notifications on. Now, if you're serious about doing e-commerce full-time, I have two things for you. Number one, I run a free live e-commerce workshop where I break down all of this step by step. And if you attend, you get my AI ad rebuilder completely for free. If you thought this was cool, imagine taking any ad your competitor makes and then rebuilding it for your brand. And you get that if you attend. Link to register is also down in the description. And number two, if you're ready to implement what we talked about in this video and actually launch an e-commerce brand, check out White Label Dropshipping. This is where my team researches 6- and 7-figure winning products every single day, chooses the best, most beginner-friendly businesses, recreates them entirely, and lets you download it with one click into your Shopify or ShopFunnels account. Then we create the ads for you, launch the business with you, and scale it together. This is the highest value program that exists right now in the entire e-com space. Links for everything are down in the description below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.